It's white like that.
What is that noise? I don't hear anything.
I don't know. When it's white like that, that means that nothing is happening. Here, I'm going to ring it again just because I want to see. You said, what's that noise? I want to see something happens. So just calm the dog. Yeah, my phone rang too. Just leave it. Leave it alone. Don't touch anything. Don't answer it.
Yo.
Who is this? Why is somebody on the...
Hello?
Yeah, hello, who is this?
You live in Edison, right?
Sorry?
Yeah, what's going on?
Why are you answering my doorbell?
Somehow it's getting disconnected to my doorbell.
Where All right, well...
Does that happen to you too with us?
I'm sorry, say it again?
Does that happen to you too with us?
No, I don't get anything on my account from anybody else that rings anybody else's doorbell.
Yeah, but it's been, like, my wife asked me about that the other day. It's been some type of disconnection. I live on Winthrop.
In what town?
In Edison.
Oh, no, I live in South Plainfield. Did you happen to buy your ring at the Southfield Home Depot?
No, I bought mine over there in Edison Home Depot.
Did you return it once?
Huh?
Did you return it at all? Did you return it once and then get another one?
Probably.
Yeah, I think that's what happened. All right, no big deal. Sorry for the confusion.
I'm gonna just reconnect somehow or something, like change these wires around, see what happens. All right.
I'll just bring this ring back to Edison and get a different one. That'll probably clear it up. I'm sorry about that. Oh, let him hang up first.
Like the account somehow crossed?
I guess, I don't know.